oh my God, you got the best outline drawing ever. You finally got your little masterpiece made and you want to transfer it to watercolor paper. You're so excited, but you don't have a light box and it's dark outside, so you can't use your window, and you're fresh out of graphite paper. So what do? Well, follow me and I will give you a tip for how to make your own graphite paper, and it's with things you have right at your own house. So come on. So what do you need? Well, you'll need your outline drawing. I have mine here. Mine's already on tracing paper, but this method will work for tracing paper or sketchbook paper. You'll want to turn it over to the back side. Then you'll take either a soft number 2 pencil and just start wherever the lines are. You just want to scribble it. Now, if you don't have a number 2 pencil, or you're lucky enough to have a graphite stick, then use the graphite stick if you have one. But if you don't, the pencil works perfect. Just go over it where you have the line, and you'll want to cover it pretty well all over the back. Now, some people use non-oily lighter fluid, or they use rubber cement thinner, but I don't have that. We're not going to do the whole thing, just for demonstration purposes. You just want to get a good coating wherever there are lines. Once you do that, take some soft tissue and just blend it over it, and this takes up some of the excess graphite from the pencil or the graphite stick. All right, then next we're going to get our piece of watercolor paper. All right, I have my watercolor paper here. Now I'm going to turn it back so that the graphite side is facing the paper, and you'll want to tape it down so you can secure it. And then you'll take your pencil and you will just follow your lines wherever they're at and press down so that the graphite transfers onto your paper. Now I'll just lift it up and show you. Ta-da! I hope you found this tip very helpful. Like I said, join me every Tuesday for a tip that'll save you time, save you money, or make you a better artist.